Hello and welcome to the Senior Design Showcase. I am Cameron Moy, the squad lead and project manager for VR for Structures and Playing in Traffic, and today I will be narrating. Both VR for Structures and Playing in Traffic are University of Nebraska-Lincoln based research projects. They are both for civil engineering. However, Playing in Traffic has a focus in traffic engineering, while VR for Structures has structural engineering in mind. The overall aim in both projects is to increase the quality of learning and aid engineering practices. Our projects are unique in the fact that all of our stakeholders are professors at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Dr. Chris Burke is a professor at UNL and primarily teaches computer science and computer engineering courses and has offered his guidance to both projects. Dr. Joshua Steelman is our main owner of VR for Structures, and Dr. Elizabeth Jones is the main owner of Playing in Traffic. Here is our team. The product owners and sponsors, Dr. Burke, Dr. Steelman, and Dr. Jones. And from the senior design faculty, our tribe lead, Jeffrey Falkenberg, and project manager, Bill Browning. And from the team, for the students, we are a team of 6. I am Cameron Moy, the squad lead and product manager. Devin Hastings, the development manager, and Quinn Lanick, Neil Chen, Joel Lee, and Zihan Ko are the developers. Problem and opportunity. To visualize simple structures in virtual reality is what we are tasked with in VR for Structures. The opportunity is creating a more immersive and unique way to visualize simple structures, because many of the current structural engineering applications primarily provide 2-dimensional ways to only view structures. For Playing in Traffic, we were tasked with finding a way to teach traffic engineering no matter the weather conditions. And our opportunity was that we were able to create a new way to learn traffic engineering for both professor and student, and hopefully this will expand the learning frontier and hopefully also provide many more opportunities in the future. And for our solution, I will switch over to 2 demo videos of each project. Here's the demo video narrated by Devin Hastings.
Hi, I'm Devin Hastings, Development Manager of the Structures VR team as part of UNL's Senior Design course. Structures VR is an educational civil engineering application for viewing, building, and analyzing structures in VR. You can load files built using SAP 2000, or you can build in VR using an intuitive point-and-click system to draw frames. Once you've loaded or built a structure, you can apply forces to it to simulate load, wind, or other conditions. And finally, you can analyze. The results can be viewed as deformations or shear and moment diagrams. Structures VR can be thought of as an extension to SAP 2000, an industry standard application for construction and structural analysis. While the user works in VR, their commands are sent to SAP, and when they run an analysis, the results are coming directly from SAP. This not only means that the analysis results will be accurate and reliable, but it means that any work done in VR can be saved and worked on further in a full construction application, and vice versa. The hope is that this application will be useful in learning about civil engineering by providing a simplified interface for the basic functionality of construction software, as well as showing users the scale of their building in virtual reality. If you're interested in using this application, the GitHub repository should be made public at some point after this video was recorded. The repository contains information on how to use the application and install it, as well as the source code and all the builds. Thanks for watching.
And now I will take a minute to switch over to the Playing in Traffic demo video. Hello and welcome to Playing in Traffic Virtual Reality. Traffic engineering plays an important role in the development of every city, and teaching it requires a great deal of hands-on training. Unfortunately, poor weather and timing can make field work difficult to manage for both professors and students.
Playing in traffic allows students to have an experience very similar to fieldwork, but in a virtual reality program setting. Students can use pre-recorded three-dimensional videos of an intersection with up to 8 possible camera angles, tracking light changes and cars passing through the intersection. They can use a point-and-click interface or use a directional pad on each controller. And to verify their work, the timestamps of their inputs are recorded to a spreadsheet for the professor to review after completing the activity. Unlike field data, students using Playing in Traffic can have their work verified to be accurate to within 1/10 of a second. With a proctor at the keyboard while they use the program, the video can be rewound or restarted at need, and their point of view can be changed. We hope that Playing in Traffic will make teaching of traffic engineering better and easier for everyone involved. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching those demo videos. Value and highlights. Through our VR application, we are now able to have a better way to visualize simple structures via Structures for VR. As Devin Hastings mentioned in the VR for Structures demo video, the program mainly works with the SAP application. This provides now a three-dimensional view of the structures, since many of the applications had only provided two-dimensional views. And through a portion of our program called the SAP Translator, we are able to visualize many of the analyses that SAP offers through our VR application. Our program also simplifies working with SAP, making it much more user-friendly. Through our Playing in Traffic application, we're able to ensure that students are able to complete their traffic engineering activities regardless of weather, while providing a new way to learn content. Playing in Traffic is as unique as it offers both a student mode and instructor mode. The student mode emulates what it would be like in real time, so there are no controls, while the instructor mode will have all of the controls to help the instructor guide their student through the course. Additionally, both of these projects are also open source. I would like to take a moment to say thank you to Dr. Burke, Dr. Steelman, and Dr. Jones for the opportunity to work on their projects and all their efforts in working with the senior design team this year. It would have not been possible without them, so as a token of our appreciation will be sent to all of them. I would also like to take a moment to thank the senior design staff for providing the team continuous support. Thank you very much for listening. This has been Cameron Moy of VR for Structures and Playing in Traffic.